Hi. So as you see, there is two setup has been deployed here, and on my right hand side, this is 2800 series. So basically, this is 2D camera, and in 2D camera, what we can do is we can classify OK and NG parts. As you see, this can able to read whatever the written here, and it can able to detect the colors, and also these having classify tools and and EL based rule based tools. So basically, we have two types of camera in this. One is classify, and other one is rule based camera. And in 2800 series, it can able to do all type of major applications like presence absence OCR, and if you want to read that here is some character is missing, then it can able to do that. And this is easily, and it can able to do contrast, and if there any intensity or RGB value, and it can able to detect all the colors, what is the intensity which we are getting from. And on my left hand side, it is Dataman series. So basically Dataman series is our scanners. So it is like DM 280, 275, 475. These all series are of Dataman series. And if the product is moving, so it can able to detect what is written here. And also we do it is too much reliable. We can shift our data to our Excel sheet and these all things. And basically this is of two type. One is fixed mount, and another one is handheld. So it is based on customer requirement, that what is the requirement of the customer, like they want handheld camera or a fixed mount camera. So yeah, this is the two products that you are seeing here now. Thank you.